In this video, I'll show you how to import settings in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. So let's say for instance you are playing Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and you had your settings and you'd like to import them to Call of Duty Black Ops 7. It's pretty simple. Simply launch the game and then you should get to the Call of Duty homepage and then select Call of Duty Black Ops 7. And then from here, press the menu button on your controller and navigate to the settings wheel icon by using your R1 or the L1 button, and then scroll down and select Account and Network. Now within the Account and Network, the first option you should see is Import Settings. So as you can see, it's a brief description. Import your settings from other Call of Duty titles. So all you have to do is select that and then select Import from Previous Title. Choose that. And then you should see this confirmation warning. Are you sure you want to import your settings? Using the manual import may result in conflicting settings to reset to their default value. If you want to continue, simply select yes, and that will import your settings to Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.